Right, so today we're going to dive deep right into the world of the California dogface butterfly.
Oh, yeah.
This is more than just a pretty face, though, right? This is like the state symbol.
Absolutely.
It's got a super fascinating story. I mean, there's striking looks.
Definitely fit.
There's this dependence on, like, one specific plant.
Yeah.
It's crazy.
It is.
And then, it looks like it's everywhere.
Right.
But actually, it's a testament to, like, conservation working.
Yeah.
So we're going to get into all that good stuff today.
Yeah, I'm excited.
And, of course, I couldn't do it without an expert.
Well, I appreciate you having me. I love talking about these butterflies.
Yeah, I mean, I was doing a little research just to prep for this,
Mm-hmm.
and I was just like, dogface. Like,
Right.
that's a choice.
It is. And it's not just like a cute name. It's actually like essential for IDing the specific species.
Oh, really?
Yeah. So that bold, like yellow and black,
Oh, yeah, yeah.
like that contrast, that's what sets them apart.
Okay, so even just the name is telling us something important.
Absolutely.
Okay, that's cool.
Yeah.
So, I mean, I guess we're talking looks already, right?
Yeah, go for it.
Like those males, they're just so vivid.
The colors.
Yeah.
Oh, they're amazing.
Especially next to, like, the females,
Right.
who are kind of just yellow.
Yeah, they're much more muted, right?
Yeah.
It's like camouflage.
Yeah.
They blend right into those oak woodlands.
That's like they're playing hide and seek or something.
Totally.
And how big are these things?
So both the males and females, they're about 2 to 2.5 inches,
Okay.
which might not seem huge, but,
Yeah.
perfect for flitting around branches and all that.
Oh, yeah. I mean, they do. They get around.
They do. They do.
But we were talking about fitting in, right?
Yes.
And there's this whole thing with their life cycle that I found really interesting.
Oh, absolutely.
So they're, what, specialist species?
They are.
What does that even mean?
So it means they're heavily dependent on one very specific plant,
Oh, wow.
the California false indigo.
Okay.
They need it.
So they're picky eaters, basically.
Essentially.
Like a kid who only eats chicken nuggets.
Pretty much, but in their case, it's an evolutionary win.
Oh, really? I would have thought that was limiting.
So think about it. The females,
Yeah.
they only lay their eggs
Mm.
on the California false indigo.
Oh.
So when those little caterpillars hatch, boom, food's right there.
Oh, I see.
Instant buffet.
Yeah, they don't have to go far.
Exactly. They don't waste any energy searching.
So it's smart.
Yeah,
Yeah.
nature's pretty clever.
It is.
Hmm.
And speaking of those caterpillars,
Yes.
I was looking at some pictures.
Mm.
They're so good at blending in.
Oh, absolutely. It's vital.
Green bodies with those white stripes.
Yeah, you can barely see them against the leaves.
And it's like they disappear.
Right. Like magic.
But, camouflage.
Yes.
That's crucial, right?
Especially at that stage, they're so vulnerable.
Yeah. I mean, little tiny caterpillars.
Easy pickings, you
Yeah.
know, so they got to be sneaky.
Yeah.
And then even as adults,
Yeah.
they only live for a few weeks.
Oh, wow. That's not very long.
It's a short life.
So does that make them hard to study?
Oh, absolutely.
Yeah.
I mean, their flight patterns are so erratic
Oh, yeah.
and swift, like trying to follow a gust of wind.
It must be crazy trying to track them.
Oh, it's a challenge for sure.
Yeah.
But it's also really
I
fascinating.
mean, it makes you think about, like, their experience, right?
Yeah, what is it like to be a butterfly?
Yeah, just flitting around like a whirlwind.
And they are active, especially the males.
Yeah, yeah.
Always on the move.
I was reading about that, like the patrolling for
Yeah.
mates,
Oh, absolutely.
and they're territorial.
Very much so. It's all about securing a mate.
Oh, okay.
Going to continue the life cycle, you know?
So it's not just like a free-for-all.
No, there's strategy involved.
Yeah. There's a whole system.
It's a system, yeah.
Oh, that's cool.
Yeah.
So, we hear a lot about species in danger,
Mm-hmm.
but this is actually a conservation success story.
It is, yeah, good one.
I mean, what happened? Like, how did we get here?
So their numbers were declining for a while.
Okay.
But people stepped up,
Yeah.
habitat restoration,
Yeah.
planting more California false indigo.
So giving them what they need.
Exactly, and it worked.
Oh, that's so good to hear.
It is.
So it's like targeted conservation.
Yes, and there are organizations still monitoring their numbers,
Oh, wow.
keeping an eye on things.
So we're not just letting them go?
No, it's ongoing.
Wow. Okay.
Yeah.
So, I mean, it sounds like the California dogface butterfly.
Mm-hmm.
It's more than just a symbol or a pretty face
It is. It's a testament to what we can do.
when we work with nature.
Absolutely, and a reminder that even common species
Yeah.
can be vulnerable,
Yeah.
We have an impact. And I have to say, the next time you see a butterfly,
Hmm.
take a moment, think about its journey.
Yeah.
That whole web of life. It depends on
Hmm.
each little flutter.
Yeah.
It's a story,
Yeah.
of adaptation, resilience.
And that, everything's connected.
It really is, yeah.
Yeah, wow.
It's amazing.
Well, thank you so much for sharing all that.
Oh, it's been my pleasure, really.
Yeah.
I love talking butterflies.
This was great. This was a good dive.
I agree.
Yeah. All right. Well, thanks for listening, everybody.
Thanks, everyone.